Today, I am here to talk about Verydarkman, oh,
Yes.
because EFCC don't arrest am for GTB Bank.
Yes, the rest time.
Thank
Yes,
God
the rest
say
day.
I know everybody for Nigeria. I know EFCC.
Yes,
I know Tinubu.
yes.
I know Nedu.
You know they do.
I know Fufuye.
Fufu.
So anybody who arrest Verydarkman, I go speak to the person. Tell the person, say, make he release her.
Yes.
If he no release her, waiting I go do the person. Well, make I no talk too much. Because no be for them I come today.
Yes.
I come to talk to Verydarkman. So Verydarkman, I know say you there for prison. But my reporters don't already meet the prison agents where you there, and they don't open door for us to talk to you. So how you there, Verydarkman? Are you there okay?
Of course, I'm okay,
Thank God
but
you
they're gonna
are
learn.
okay. Why did EFCC arrest you at GTB Bank? Waiting happen.
Well, it's a long story, but
Okay.
to cut the matter short, I was not arrested because of myself. I was arrested because I went to help my mother, as I always help people. And that is not going to make me to stop helping people. Instead of Nigeria
So
to talk
now
about
which
the
day
economy.
you think say they will release you?
Yeah, which day they will release you?
Well,
Tell us.
I don't know exactly the day I will be released, because the oppressors keep on oppressing the whole Nigeria.
Well,
But I'm
now
sad
who you think
because
say now I arrest you? Now Nedu, abi na Mr. Ben wey be say every day they talk of you for TV and the YouTube from England. I dey here. Anybody wey mention him name, I go send my group go warn the person. My group no be flying group, oh. No be those type where they fly for night. My group na real human being. I go send them. Then go warn them face to face.
Yes.
No be those ones where we say the day for comment section for YouTube and for Instagram or for Facebook. They comment every day comment. They don't do anything. No, my group is not like that. I know everybody for this life. If na need you tell me, I go knock for a door. Just as I knock for door for prison, they speak with you. You no surprise, say I know people like that. Now everybody for Nigeria know people like that.
No.
No only me. Oh. If na EFCC chairman also, I know him. Maybe I will go give them a little bit of slap, you know, because I feel like they don't hear word. If na police also say they want arrest you for no reason, tell me. I know what I go do them. I go for their checkpoint, give them a slap. If na Tinubu, tell me. I know where I go with her. I go for France. When they fly, they come. Immediately when they come for airport, I give them a slap for them. So, if na this woman where they sing, Chimo, tell me, I go for a church. When he wants sing, I go come out microphone for him mouth, break am for ground. And if na fufuye, that one I know. Because I know say, those video where they say na for heaven, it come. Those video no be for heaven, oh. I know where they record am, now for mountain, for Isha, they do am. I go for that mountain, they wait up. Immediately where they carry all those keys, where they talk say, the key fall from heaven, they do. If they land there, I will go there, carry the key, use am knock am for your head and say go back, and say, so that here you are heaven there. So, Verydarkman, if anybody challenge you anywhere with them day, let me know. You dey hear me? Even if na Obikowa na I know wetin I go do. I go wait away one sing another music. You know that kind of music where they sing. CP, I go succeed again. Nobody go laugh at me. Nobody go do this. I go come out the microphone, knock on for head, bam. Who again they trouble you? You know, get baby mama. I will say, baby mama make better. No, big one I get baby mama. So you know there for that saga, okay? So the only saga we say you get is maybe week. If week now the trouble you tell me, I know where to catch him. And I tell you, I know enjoy it where they go to drink. When we see if he drink finish, he go to tell Tinubu, remove this governor, remove the other governor. I don't agree, remove this governor. And the Tinubu also they remove governor. Like say, I don't know what they happen for them. But not before them I come today. I come talk for different things. So I don't want to talk too much because people go talk say I don't feel do anything. I go fit to do all this thing why they tell you. I only need Verydarkman to call me. Tell me say see wetin dey happen to am. So for that reason, I go dey my own jeje, dey wait until Verydarkman call me. Anytime when Verydarkman call me, say Nkole, see who arrest me. I go buy the case. Or unless if Verydarkman no wan make I buy the case, that one I consign no. But if he want, he can't call me. Say, see you, go intervene for me. For here. I go there in charge. You dey hear me? Even Parada will say, where they quarrel with Verydarkman, I know where they record all those things where they say he get proof. You don't get any proof. I know in house. Any day where they record, I will go in house, knock. I go tell them, say, that proof where they say you get, show me where I did. That's how they act. So, anybody will get problem, no be only Verydarkman. Anybody will get problem. But you have to be a good citizen. Oh. If you no be good citizen, I no go come defend you. Believe me, I no go defend you. Yes. But if you be good citizen, now me go buy your case. I get people. By the way, I be woman, but I still strong. I no go follow them. Because if I follow them, I no go fit talk to una. And una know wetin dey happen. I fit follow them also. Enter there, say make I beat somebody, then go lock door, they beat me. Tomorrow, who go defend una? So wetin I go do? Me say, I no go dey go. I go dey send people. When we say, when they like speed that enter, not be speed that little, but if they like you know, those people I go fit confused. Or when they like portable, eh? Those people, why I go feel confused? Because I know how to confuse them. I go tell them, say, aha, speed that enter, he like money well. I will give you 20 million. Just to go beat EFCC chairman. He go. That is how they promise our money. He go fight. He go lose. The same thing to Portable. He also like money. I go promise him 25 million. Go beat Tinubu. But if they catch him, well, if they catch him, not me they catch. I go still they tell a story, and I go still they call other people, make them go defend Verydarkman. So yes. Verydarkman hope say everything is okay. Make me no fear, okay, right? Because Uncle in here they defend you.
Thank you. Shakara reporters. Thank you very much. So everything is okay right here, and then
okay, that's good. Verydarkman, my man. Yeah. Talk to you tomorrow. So
okay,
I go now because I won't go withdraw my money for GTB Bank.
Don't go there. Don't go there.
You're gonna
learn if you go there.
So for that reason, I don't go myself. Yes.
Yeah.
I go send Verydarkman brother.
Yeah, don't send my brother, man.
Oh. If the rest two of them, I I go bed. Or it be like saying a kukupi, I go say.
Maybe.
Well, thank you very much for watching. I dey go GTV want to withdraw money, make I take go bribe, speed letter and portable.
Yes.
Make them go fight the person wey be say arrest Verydarkman. Thank you.
Okay.
See you another time. Thank you.
Yeah,
This
thank
is
you.
Nkoli.
Thank you. Yeah, thank you, Shakara reporters.
Okay.
Thank you
Bye-bye.
very much.